to diagnose a vehicle, a Highlander 2020, which is having microphone not recognized. So I took the microphone out of the car to place it on this car and test. So normally they have ground, then the microphone signals, then the 5-volt reference. So I came to this car. This is a good car, which means the microphone is working. So I came here.
Communication module activation failed. Please make sure.
So I came to this car to test the microphone, if it is actually working. And I've connected my scope also to ground. I've connected my scope already. So what I'll do is let me test, because there is power on. One of them is microphone positive and one of them is microphone negative. So plug it in the positive, because the 5-volt and everything is working. So whenever I plug my scope on it, so now that I've plugged it on the feedback, on the feed sign going to the sensor, you can see I'm getting a waveform. So when I'm speaking, when I bring the microphone close to my mouth, you can see that it is working, and you can see the frequency that is generating. So this tells me that the guy's microphone is working. So what I'll do now is I'll go to the car and go and check everything that I need to check on the vehicle to make sure that that vehicle is working. So you can see with this one, the microphone is working because I'm speaking direct into the microphone, which is this. So anytime I speak into it, you can hear it. So when I even try it, play my dreams. So when I say play my dreams, you can see play my dreams. So it's being recognized.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Play my dreams. So that tells me that the microphone is working. So I'll go back to the vehicle and go and do further tests to see what actually is going on, or why I'm not able to, why is the vehicle not seeing the actual microphone when it is connected. So with this one, I'll test and see the voltages and everything that I have to get on this unit. So let me test for the first red one, which is supposed to be 5 volts, so that when I get to the non-good car, I'll know what I'm testing for. So let me test for this one and see. With this one, you can see the freaking microphone is not connected because I've disconnected it, and I'm getting 5 volts. And for the second pin, I'm getting 0 volts, no voltage. And for the third pin, I'm getting a voltage which is 3.0. And for the last pin, which I'm getting 0, which is the ground. So I'll go to the other car and go and check if I'll get all those voltages on it. So with this one, you can see I'm having microphone not connected. So this is the actual vehicle which is having the problem, which is the Highlander, which is having the problem, and it's reporting no communication with the microphone. So what I'll do now is I have to check my voltages like as I did on the other one. So I have to unplug it and check my voltages. But this one, just that it looks like the wiring is quite different. So I'll check why it is so, and I'll measure all the voltages and see if I have to get. So first with this one, that means I have to get 1 5-volt, 1 ground, and the 2 microphone signals. So I'll do that test. So now with this one, I have to measure all the voltages. So pin 1, just that they've changed the colors. So pin 1, which is ground. Let me go to the next pin, which is green, and it is 3.2 volts, 3.2, and pin, okay, and the other pin, which is 0 volt, which is the microphone signal. So let me check the last one, which is supposed to be 5 volt reference. So that means this one I have to get one 5 volt reference, and it's supposed to be this last pin, but I'm not getting any 5 volt reference, and I don't know where the problem is coming from. Because I'm not getting any 5 volt reference, so I'm not getting to communicate to let it tell me mic is on. So what I'll do is I'll try and test the mic. I test the mic on the other car and it is working. So what I'll do is I'll fit the mic and try something. So now, because there is no 5 volts, you can see the kind of freeform I'm getting, because there is no 5 volts for the mic to work with. So what I'll do is I'll find for the 5 volts for the mic to work with, then I'll see what I can do about it.